Today's digital leaders possess creative and technical skill sets, along with the leadership acumen to deliver customer-centric products to market in a timely fashion. I've started to develop these skills throughout my career as a technologist. Collaborating with an experience-rich student population and immersing myself in CornellTech's studio-based ecosystem will enable me to advance my creative and technical skills while gaining meaningful leadership experience that will better position me to return to Deloitte poised to lead teams delivering the next wave of digital financial services technology. My consulting career is focused on delivering innovative solutions in the healthcare and financial service industries that address three imperatives: customer experience, operational improvements, and regulatory considerations. Through designing applications for these variables, I've established a well-rounded technical foundation, leadership skill set, and broad understanding of end-to-end business operations. As a technology analyst for the Kentucky Health Insurance Exchange, I designed and developed over 30 customer correspondences using XML schema and .NET-based business rules using HP Extreme template creation software. The correspondences incorporated numerous dynamic variables such as insurance recipient name, product selected, pricing, and required regulatory citations. Additionally, I helped detail the batch functionality and interface calendar using Universe, a job scheduler. These batches and interfaces form the backbone for the health exchange, transmitted data to internal and external systems. After 12 months, I was promoted to track lead for the correspondence and batch workstream. My deep understanding of systems interactions enabled me to better communicate the business value of design decisions to lead my workstream. I refined my leadership skills after I was selected to travel to Hyderabad and Mumbai, India for 5 weeks to serve as a Scrum Master, promoting more agile development and testing cycles for my team of 13. Working hands-on with an offshore team I had only known virtually for the previous 7 months enabled me to instill a sense of pride and accountability in each team member's craft by preaching the tangible impact of their work. Since 2014, I've helped financial services clients address customer demands, operational inefficiencies, and regulatory challenges. I led the pilot rollout of a new onboarding application at HSBC for the bank's 200+ branches and United States call center. This application upgraded mainframe-based green screens to a web-based UI running on Java for over 1,500 bankers. Serving in a product manager role, I helped prioritize enhancements for upcoming releases to ensure the banker's experience with the technology consistently improved. I was successful in this role because I drew upon my previous digital experience developing a Salesforce prototype. Building out Bank App using Force.com required an agile delivery approach and customer-first mindset. Bank App was designed to integrate with the bank's core systems and cue thematic narratives to retail bankers in order to boost cross-sell revenue. This would not have been possible without taking a user and customer-first mindset. Leading the Business Command Center, my team was tasked with verifying customer data in the newly acquired 6 million customer credit card portfolio. This required me to develop a systematic verification model for this data using Microsoft Excel and Cognos to confirm that the converted data could be used to service and market the customers. My understanding of financial institutions' most valuable asset, customer data, grew from my projects responding to financial crimes and anti-money laundering violations. I identified data within a regional bank to be certified and used by Actimize, an enterprise tool I helped configure. This generated a standardized rating for each customer's likelihood to violate financial crimes laws. The experience yielded a better understanding of data that banks collect, the best way to aggregate it, and the development efforts required to turn that data into actionable recommendations for the bank's compliance units. After consulting in Manhattan, I've come to value the amount of innovation taking place in the city and intellectual capital available. NYC is an innovation hub for fintech firms and established institutions alike, and innovators are keen to share their experience at events throughout the city. I see NYC as the ideal location to learn from not only hypergrowth, but also more established financial institutions as they compete in this digital ecosystem. My experience, combined with the participation in a digital studio environment, will enable me to develop intuitively designed customer technologies for banks managing operational and regulatory challenges. Most recently, for Deloitte's 2015 Financial Services Challenge, my team submitted the winning proposal outlining the business case for investment in a blockchain innovation incubator. The pitch was judged by a panel of partners as the most unique and likely to generate revenue. Portions of this pitch can be seen today as Deloitte establishes collections of innovation studios to pressure test use cases, develop rapid prototypes, and industrialize solutions. CornellTech is the only school that will enable me to take my client and venture ideation experience and apply it in a team setting to solve a real-world problem, much like the format of their corporate challenge. Studying alongside tech-focused peers will enable me to become a more digitally fluent product manager when I return to Deloitte